Hi everybody, welcome to Thermal Cooking Thursday, except for this week, it's not actually Thursday. But today is an awesome day for some soup, and so I thought I would just sort of talk a little bit about making soup in the thermal cooker. So it's basically just throw some ingredients in, and I do have a recipe close to it in my cookbook, Let's Make Sense of Thermal Cooking, so you could find it there. So what I did is in my pot right here, I sauteed some onions, some garlic, and bell peppers. And I had, Alicia wanted chicken and rice soup. She didn't want like noodles, so I went ahead and added some rice. And the thing is the rice I used was the black rice, so it sort of turned everything purple. Anyway, I think that's okay though, don't you? There's some potatoes, some carrots, some squash, some sweet potatoes, all in there. And it's coming, you can see that it's starting to boil. And the tip I wanted to talk about today was if you don't have your lid, because my sister-in-law asked me this today. She said, yesterday I went to use my thermal cooker and I opened it up and somebody must have borrowed it and didn't return the lid. Or it's in my house, I can't find it. And I said, your thermal cooker is gonna still work without the lid. So don't stress too much about it. So we're gonna just, for today, we're not even gonna use the lid. All right, here we go. We're just gonna put that right inside there. You can see I don't have the lid for now, but I can close that in. It's still gonna close in all that heat, and it's going to finish cooking the potatoes, sweet potatoes, make sure all the seasonings simmer together. I've got some herbs in there, some thyme, sage, and our tarragon, some chicken bouillon, and so I just seasoned it up before. Oh, bay was the other thing. I had some bay. I'll take some pictures when we're done. Till later. Ciao. This is the results from my thermal cooking Thursday, and it was the chicken and rice soup. Leisha absolutely loved it. She said it was excellent. And what we did is we ended up using black rice, so it's perfect for Halloween. Look at that purple and the orange in the sweet potatoes and the squash and the carrots. And it tastes delicious. She loved it. And we ended up prepping. We did some meal prep while we're at it. So we have some more meals. We can freeze some, or we can just put them in the fridge and eat them throughout the week for whoever's in the house. Whichever works best for you and your family. That's our chicken and rice soup.